How to use Rocket Lawyer compliance and legal properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Rocket Lawyer offers compliance tools and legal documents, but beginners often misuse them, creating gaps that can have serious consequences. The surprising truth is that even small mistakes can lead to fines, disputes, or invalid contracts. The first mistake is assuming a generic template fits every situation. Rocket Lawyer provides customizable documents, but each business or individual scenario requires specific clauses, terms, and obligations. Failing to customize can leave you exposed. Another common error is neglecting updates. Laws change frequently, and outdated documents may no longer comply with current regulations. Always review templates before use to ensure they match the latest legal standards. Many users overlook jurisdictional differences. Compliance requirements for contracts, employment, or corporate filings vary by state. Ignoring local rules can make documents unenforceable or cause penalties. Failing to maintain proper records is another pitfall. Rocket Lawyer can generate documents, but storing, signing, and tracking them properly is your responsibility. Disorganized records can undermine legal protections during disputes. Finally, some users assume Rocket Lawyer replaces professional legal advice. Complex compliance issues, high-value contracts, or regulatory matters often require consultation with a qualified attorney. To use Rocket Lawyer compliance and legal properly, customize documents carefully, update templates regularly, verify state-specific rules, maintain organized records, and consult professionals when necessary. By avoiding these mistakes, you protect your business and personal interests while saving time and avoiding costly errors.